Kia ora, and warm greetings to all our new and returning tauira. As you embark on this exciting journey of knowledge and growth, we extend a heartfelt welcome to our new whānau members. Your presence enriches the kete of our learning community, and we are thrilled to have you join us on this path of discovery. Nau mai haere mai e te whānau. In this video, we will assist you in building knowledge in the support service options available to you. There is a lot to go over, so to make it easier to find the exact support service you would like to know more about, this video has been broken into chapters. Let me explain. Along the bottom of this video, to the right of the play and pause buttons, you will find the word intro. By clicking on the word, you will bring up chapters. On the right for desktop and underneath for mobile. Within the chapters, you will find each support service we offer. By clicking the section you want to learn about, you will jump ahead to the spot where it's covered. Or, if you want to know about all of them, or just love the sound of my voice as much as I do, simply keep watching. Te Matakā. Te Matakā is our online tauira support portal that has been created to connect you with the resources that can assist you while studying with us. Te Matakā will connect you with support options such as academic services, library services, student support advisors, and can be used as an access point to log into i-akoranga or akorau. Te Matakā gives access to a range of resources and information to support your learning. Student support advisors. Our student support advisors are at the heart of our services here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. Student support advisors provide expert advice to help you navigate life as a student. They will help connect you with resources to help your study and support your success. They can also help you navigate the complexities of applying for study-linked financial support, which is different for every personal circumstance. Dependent on your location, your local student support advisor can meet with you face-to-face, via a Zoom call, or connect with you over the phone. The contact details for your local student support advisor can be found right here on Te Matakā. Student ID. As tauira of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, you are entitled to receive a tauira ID, which will allow you to access benefits and discounts to many businesses based all over Aotearoa.
Your Tauira ID email invite will be sent
after your course early withdrawal period has ended, approximately 3 weeks into the course. Downloading Microsoft 365. As a tauira at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, Microsoft 365 is available for you to download for free. This will give you access to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and other applications that will help you with your study needs. This can be downloaded from Te Matakā. If you need any help or assistance in downloading this free software, please contact your local student support advisor. Academic services. Studying at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa provides an opportunity for tauira to gain in-depth knowledge and specialise in a particular field. The academic tasks that are set in each program of study are purposely built to enable tauira to develop a strong foundation in academic study, which helps to build critical thinking, problem solving, and research skills, which are highly valued in the workplace. Writing an academic assignment can be a daunting task, but there is help available to you. This support team can help with essay planning and writing, interpreting assignment questions, referencing and/or intellectual property, managing your time more effectively, and note-taking. You will find online academic resources on Te Matakā, along with the contact details for your Te Wānanga o Aotearoa student support advisors who can help you on your academic journey. Te Pātaka Māramatanga. Library services. Te Pātaka Māramatanga is your library service. You can access this online through our student portal, Te Matakā. This service is available to all tauira, no matter where you are based. If time permits, you can visit us in person. Look on our webpage to find a list of our campus libraries. We have a range of online and physical resources that can help you while you are studying here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. These resources include e-books, online academic journals, ETV with videos for study, and an online catalogue of our pukapuka. You can use our online catalogue, Kitea, to help you find the things you need for your study. If you need to borrow items, we can issue these to you as if you were here in person. Once you have ordered your items, we will courier these to your kāinga for free, and even include a return courier bag. If you are unsure of how to navigate or find the correct resources for your study, a librarian can meet with you in person or online to help you explore, locate, and connect you with resources to help with your study. Disability services. Not everyone who experiences disability requires assistance, or the same type of assistance in the same way. Our friendly student support advisors are available to meet with you, find out about your learning needs or any barriers you might experience, and help co-design strategies with you, your whānau, and your support people. Our advisors work in partnership with you and your kaiako to help you achieve your educational goals. Who can access disability assistance? If you are deaf, experiencing disability or mental illness, have a medical condition, temporary injury or impairment, and experience barriers to learning and participating in your studies, you could be eligible for assistance. Tauira Voice. National Tauira Reps, Tauira Complaints. Your voice as a Tauira is important here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. You will find the Tauira Voice portal on Te Matakā, our student support page. Tauira Voice provides a way in which we can capture whakaaro and kōrero to improve our service to our students. These include the Tauira representative system, the formal complaints process, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa Tauira surveys, end of Kōnai learning module feedback. As Tauira of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, your voice is valued. These avenues provide opportunities to share your voice throughout your study journey. Ko te mahi a te tauira, ko te kimi, ko te rapu, I te ara e puta ai te ihu.